Hold on to your wallets! Apple just officially discontinued the iPhone upgrade program. This program was hugely popular for years. So what does this mean for you? Are subscriptions the future? Hold on to your wallets! Apple just officially discontinued the iPhone. Instead, they've launched a brand new service. It is called Apple Upgrade, powered by Klarna. And it is not just for iPhones anymore. Major change number 1. You can now lease iPads, Macs, and Apple Watches alongside your iPhone, with flexible 12, 24, or 36-month terms. But here is the catch. Unlike the old program, AppleCare Plus insurance is no longer included in the monthly price. You have to buy it separately. This means while the starting monthly price looks cheaper, like $23 for the new iPhone, once you add protection, you might actually end up paying more than before. So, is the new Apple Upgrade program a win for flexibility or a sneaky price hike? Let me know your thoughts below. And follow for more tech updates.